Hey, welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues here. So, we got an action-packed afternoon here. I've got to make some broccoli chicken Alfredo for funeral service. I want to try to make moussaka and pasticcio. So, but we're going to start off with one of the mother sauces, a bechamel, cream sauce. Use it for so many things, for mac and cheese, any kind with any dish that's got a cream sauce with it. This is so we got we're going to take, we're going to saute some onion real well. I hate when the outer skin comes off, loose. See, like that. Can't get a clean cut, but we work around it. Okay. Start off with some butter. Got a very nice hot skillet, or pot, I should say. What I'm going to do is I'll be using some chicken stock. I mean, normally it'd just be a little milk or some heavy cream, but since I'm making a chicken dish with it, I'm going to use a little bit of chicken stock also. Sweat those onions down a little bit, and we'll be right back. Alrighty, so the chicken onions, nice. I covered them, kind of sweated them down a little bit. Want to make sure they're cooked all the way through. So then we're going to take, like I said, and just add enough flour so you don't have any oily, kind of soak everything up real good. A little bit more, then we'll cook the rawness out of it. Like I said, now normally I'd put, you'd put some warm milk in here right now. But I'm going to use some chicken stock. They like to use a little chicken stock, less cream, less dairy. And again, I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon in here, because we're making some Greek dishes with this. And a little bit of cinnamon, give it that flavor. People say, "What is that taste?" They don't normally taste it. But nutmeg also. You got some nutmeg. So we got some nice chicken stock, nice color. Add a little bit. Work out the lumps. You can never tell how thick anything really is until it comes back to the full boil. See that? See how it's getting thicker and thicker? Okay. Now cooking for a large number of, making a big pan of pasta, so we add a heavy cream. See, look at that now. Look. So I'm gonna show you something here now. We're gonna put this up over the heat. We don't waste anything. You get maybe a third to a half an ounce. It's kind of you know, off to the side of that carton. Hi, Robin. Take care. See that? Now they're a little scared there with that brown from the cinnamon, you know, but it lightened up nice. There's that little trick now. A little bit of American cheese in there. So that makes a nice little Alfredo, makes a nice little mac and cheese. So, well, basically without the cheese, that would have been a bechamel sauce. So turn the fire down on that, just melt that cheese. Let's check the flavor. They might get some salt and pepper. A little salt and pepper. Okay, we'll be back. Here, we're going to do a pasticcio. A pasticcio. Because I did up on my old channel, Chaplin's Restaurant, I did a pasticcio. It's a combination pasticcio and moussaka. But here, so normally I do it with penne pasta. But we're going to do it quick here today with some farfalle that I have. Farfalle, and so what we're going to do, we're going to mix this with a little bit of ground beef. Mix it. A little more GB, ground beef. Bit of a bechamel sauce, got a little bit of cinnamon because we're kind of going Greek today. But again, you can layer the beef and the noodles. You know, there's a lot of different ways of going about this. So. I've got to love my American cheese. Okay, I'm going to slow bake this in my oven here. Put it right up on the top. So we got our meatballs, fresh meatballs going. Oh yeah. Get ready, Friday night special. This is Danny Jack's Cold Water Blues. We'll be right back. Here, so we had the Pasticcio. And you know, this is another molten one. Like I said, is I kind of mix the sauce, the meat, and the noodles together. It's nice sometimes when you layer it like a lasagna too. So, but this is careful with this.
That's hot.
A little bit of cinnamon coming through. Really like it. I do one noodle at a time with these. So you get another use for my American cheese. I'm sorry, but I'm a fan of American cheese. I guess what, the Greek, you know, you could use some feta, you could use, but I don't know, anytime I made it with American cheese. And I learned from a lady that married into a Greek family, so she learned. Anyway, this is Danny Jack's Cold Water Blues here, beautiful downtown in London, Deepwater Port. Amtrak comes through, ferry boats, Greyhound. There's no excuse why you can't come visit us. I-95 comes right through here. Glenn Peltier on camera. His wife Paula Orsini with the sausage company. Beautiful. You want to order some sausage online? If they're not too busy, they can send you some. Peace.